This is an instructional video on how to assemble the Sophie folding table base. Whilst this table base does come with screws to attach the tabletop to the base, please be aware that not all bases do. You will need the following items to construct your base: one base plate, one pole and threaded rod, one top plate, 4 feet, one tool, 2 nuts, 2 split washers and 2 flat washers. Step 1. Thread 1 nut, flat washer and split washer onto the end of the threaded rod. Step 2. Thread the rod into the top plate and tighten the nut. Please ensure that you do not thread the rod too far, as this will hinder the folding mechanism. Tighten with a spanner. Step 3. Line up the slot from the pole to the groove on the top plate. Step 4. Line up the groove on the base plate to the slot on the pole. Step 5. Thread 1 split washer, flat washer and nut onto the threaded rod and tighten. Step 6. Screw in the feet and adjust accordingly until it sits flat on the ground. Thank you for taking the time to watch our instructional video.